Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. So in this video, we are going to discuss Geeks or Geeks problem of the day, and today's problem is print pattern, and it is an easy level problem. So the problem is very straightforward and simple. It says that we have to print a sequence starting with n without using a loop. So they have mentioned it in special bold, and we have to have a number initially which is equals to n, and we have to subtract 5 from it until n is greater than 0. As soon as it becomes less than or equal to 0, we have to replace n with n plus 5, right? So first we have to subtract 5 for a number of steps, then we have to add 5 for a number of steps, right? So we don't have to use any loop, so we cannot use a while loop as well. That means they are simply implying that we have to use recursion, right? So that is it for this particular problem. The time and space complexity is as expected, it is O of n, and let us see what we can do in this particular problem. So I don't think that there is a need for explanation in this problem, and we can just directly discuss the solution. So what I've done is I've taken a vector of integer called answer, and I've passed the current value. So the first variable is going to be the current value. The second variable is going to be the value of n, which was the initial value we need it so that we can stop the recursion, and the next values are answer and minus 5, right? So minus 5 is going to be the change that I want to make, and answer is going to be my answer vector, right? So what I do is, first of all, in the helper function, I just directly push back this current value into my answer vector. As soon as current becomes less than or equal to 0, I'm going to update my dx is equal to 5. So earlier it was minus 5 and now it is going to be 5. Now if current is less than n or dx is equal to minus 5, that means either we are going towards the first step, we are in the first half of the problem, that currently we are subtracting the values, that is when dx will be equal to minus 5. So either this is true or current is less than n, only then we are going to call our helper function. So you see there are two methods of stopping your recursion. One could have been adding a base condition somewhere here, add base condition, right? So one way of doing it is like this, the other way could be just stopping the recursion call itself, right? So here I am checking before calling the helper function that either of these conditions should be satisfied, only then I am going to call my helper function, right? So this will be true when we are in the first half of the problem, when we are subtracting some values, and this is going to be true when we are in the second half of the problem but we have not reached our value n, right? So this is all you could do in this particular problem. And let me just quickly submit this and show you that this particular solution works. So you see it passes all the test cases and the solution is absolutely correct. I hope that you guys were able to understand the solution. If you guys did, then consider dropping a like on this video, and don't forget to share thoughts in the comments, because your engagement with this video really helps the YouTube algorithm to understand that this video is actually helpful for you, and it will be able to reach much more people like you who want to keep solving new problems. So that is it for today. Till the next video drops, keep coding, stay safe, bye bye.